equal to mass flow rate of fuel divided by specific gravity of the fuel times the density of standard substance, which is water. 4,811.3564 kilograms per day. Kilograms per day. Divided by 0. Pilay actual niya nga specific gravity 0.85. Katong actual niya which is 0.85 times 1 kilogram per liter density of water. Then, i-convert lang na natong kilogram dyan in gallons. In liter in gallons. Times 1 gallon per 3.785 liters. Resulting unit, kilogram cancel out. Then liter cancel out. Resulting unit, gallons per day. Volume flow rate of fuel in gallons per $1,495.487 gallons per day. From volume flow rate equals volume the fuel per unit time. Then time is volume flow, volume divided by volume flow rate. Pila to ka gallons? 4,200 gallons. 4,200 gallons divided by 1,495.478 gallons per day. So time in days. So 2.808 days para ma-consume ang 4,200 gallons of fuel using atong operation. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Yan para itong quiz, sir.
Aurora diesel. No, diesel cycle ang quiz pero